You have big dreams. You want success, a better life, maybe even something huge, like starting a business, writing a book, or getting in the best shape of your life. But instead of making progress, you keep putting it off. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but somehow tomorrow never comes. You want to be productive, but every time you try, it feels impossible to start. Instead of taking action, you find yourself scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, or doing anything except what you know you should be doing. Why does this happen? Are you just lazy? No. The real reason is that your brain avoids hard things. It wants to keep you comfortable. Big goals feel overwhelming, so instead of starting, you push them aside for something easier. The good news? You're not stuck like this forever. Laziness isn't your identity. It's just a habit, and habits can change. In this video, I'll show you how to break free from procrastination and finally start making progress. Here are 3 simple steps that will help you take action, even when you don't feel like it. Why this happens, the real problem. Before we get into the solutions, let's talk about why this happens. Your brain is designed to avoid pain and seek comfort. It's wired to conserve energy, so when something feels difficult, like writing a report, working out, or studying, it tricks you into thinking, let's do this later. The bigger the task, the scarier it seems. If your goal feels overwhelming, your brain looks for a way out. That's why you might think about starting a project but end up watching YouTube or scrolling on your phone instead. But here's the thing, you don't need motivation to get started. You just need the right approach, and it starts with making things easier for your brain. Let's get into the 3 steps that will help you overcome laziness and start achieving your goals. 3 actionable steps to beat laziness. Step 1. Lower the bar. One of the biggest mistakes people make is setting massive goals without breaking them down. When your goal feels too big, your brain panics and shuts down. The solution: make it ridiculously easy to start. Lower the bar so much that it feels effortless. Want to write a book? Don't think about writing an entire chapter. Just write 1 sentence today. Want to get in shape? Forget an hour-long workout. Just do 1 push-up. Want to read more? Don't aim for 50 pages. Just read 1 page. When a task feels small and easy, there's no resistance. And once you start, momentum kicks in. 1 sentence turns into a paragraph. 1 push-up turns into 5. 1 page turns into a chapter. Small actions may seem insignificant, but they build confidence. They tell your brain, see, this isn't so bad. And the more you do them, the easier it becomes to keep going. Step 2. Build automatic routines. Most people rely on motivation, but motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel inspired, other days you won't. That's why you need routines. A routine makes things automatic. You don't think about brushing your teeth, you just do it. The same can happen with productivity if you set up the right habits. Here's how to make routines work for you. Make it easy to start. If you want to read, place a book next to your bed. If you want to exercise, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Attach new habits to existing ones. If you already drink coffee every morning, use that time to write a few sentences or plan your day. Keep it consistent. Try to do your habit at the same time every day. Consistency makes habits stick. Think of routines as training wheels. They make things easier until the habit becomes second nature. Once your brain is used to the habit, you won't need motivation anymore. It'll just be part of your daily life. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Even when tasks are small and easy, starting can still feel hard. That's why you need the 2-minute rule. This rule says, if something feels overwhelming, commit to doing it for just 2 minutes. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Want to work on a project? Just spend 2 minutes on it. Here's the secret. Once you start, you're likely to keep going. That first push is the hardest, but after that, momentum takes over. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push requires effort, but once the ball is rolling, it keeps going on its own. The hardest part of any task is simply getting started. The 2-minute rule makes starting easy, and once you begin, you'll often do more than you planned. Here's the truth. No one starts with endless motivation. Even the most successful people struggle with laziness and procrastination. The difference? They take small actions consistently, even when they don't feel like it. If you're waiting for the perfect moment to start, stop. The perfect moment doesn't exist. The only way to move forward is to take action, no matter how small. So here's your challenge. Pick one thing you've been avoiding and do the smallest version of it right now. If you want to write one sentence. If you want to exercise, do one push-up. If you want to learn a new skill, spend 2 minutes practicing. Small steps lead to big results. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Every small action adds up, and before you know it, you'll have built momentum. Now it's your turn. What's one small action you'll take today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you like more motivational content to inspire you.